Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo? It's for my social media. You can stand here. I'll show my page first.
Are you a photographer?
I'm a hobbyist photographer, so I do portraits mostly.
Okay.
What's your name, by the way?
Katie.
Nice to meet you. The light is coming from that side, so I'll stand here. You can stand there. Yeah. We'll take a couple more. That's really good. I will take a couple more.
Okay. I'm kind of in a rush.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. I'll take one more. Can you stand here for me, please? Yeah, I'll be quick.
It's okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, let me take your social media.
Sure. There you go. That's me.
Wonder North.
Wonder North.
Cool. Okay. Thank
Nice
you.
meeting you. Take care. Yeah. Bye bye. Excuse me. Can I take your photo? I love your style. So I'm just walking around and taking pictures of random people. Thank you.
Wait, what should I do?
Camera. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Those were really good, actually. Those were really good. Let me show you.
Oh my gosh. Wow, like it. Can you send me the photo?
Sure. Can we do a couple more?
Yeah.
Can you stand on the middle? What's your name, by the way?
Serena.
Serena. Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And can you give me a side pose? You are so photogenic.
Oh. Like a star.
Yeah, I'll send them over.
So,
Instagram.
Instagram.
Yes, please. Where are you from?
Your guess.
Sorry?
Please guess.
No, I don't want to get into trouble.
I came from China.
China, okay.
Yes.
That's me.
Wow. I'm gonna follow you.
Sure, I'll give you a follow back.
Okay.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet
I'll
you
send them
too.
over.
Okay.
Have a nice
thank
day.
you.
Cheers.
You too.
Hi. Can I take your picture? I'm just walking around and taking pictures of random
sure.
people. Thank you.
Oh wait. Sorry.
No worries.
Do I just stay like this?
You can stand here.
Okay.
Thank you. What's your name?
Haiti.
Nice to meet you.
Do I look at you?
Oh yeah, you can look here. Can you? Yeah, perfect.
Sorry.
No worries. No, it's a those are really nice. Can you give me a side pose? Oh yeah, and look at me. Yeah. I'll take one more.
Okay.
Can you stand here for me, please?
Stand here.
Yeah. And look, I'll watch your back. That's fine.
Thank you. Yeah.
There you go.
So hard. Like incomparable.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's brilliant.
Thank you.
No, oh my god, thank you. I'm sorry I look so awkward. Oh my
No,
god.
you look so good.
Sorry.
There you go.
So you got
No, that's fine.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Thank
Sure. Nice to meet
you. You
you.
too.
Have a nice day.
Nice to meet you.
Excuse me. So I actually like your style. I'm just walking around and taking pictures of random people. Can I take your picture?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Just do from here. So, yeah, you can stand there. What's your name, by the way?
Kiara.
Kiara. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Juby. You can look here. Can you give me a side pose? Perfect.
Oh, I don't want to see it.
Sorry, it's actually nice. There you go.
Oh no, I don't like seeing pictures.
Thank you so much for your time. Nice meeting you.